So today I'm going to be unboxing these exciting new fans from Thermaltake. These are the first fans I've come across with swappable blades, so you can reverse the airflow on them without having to take the fan off. It's also going to make it a lot more easier to clean as well. So we'll quickly open it up now and see what's inside. So inside you have the three main fans themselves with the pre-installed blades already on it for mounting onto a radiator. So the fans come with this nice bit of padding in between them. It's the first time I've seen this type of padding on the Thermaltake fans. I've also noticed on these ones that they've moved away from the grey rubber padding where the screws go. These ones have black instead. Around on the back of it you can see it's the standard back, which most people don't want to be looking at, which is why swapping the blades around is a great idea. And here are the reverse blades, so these ones will push air forward instead of the ones that's installed, which will push the air back towards the back of the fan. They also have different labels on the fans, so the standard fan direction has the black label on, and then the reverse one has the silver label. Inside the little accessories box you've got the cables that you'll need to install it. So you've got the main bridge cable if you've got more than one adapter, more than one control box, sorry. The power lead, and you also get the motherboard USB to double micro USB, so that can control two controllers. You've also got the screws here and the Velcro padding to attach the controller, and a couple of instruction booklets. So this is the controller. This is a new style controller compared to the previous fans that I've had. This one has got the arch shape, so it stands out from the other ones. Other than that, it's pretty similar. It has the 1 to 5 sockets on there labelled up for you, and also the bridge connection ports there as well. Around on the other side is the power cable port, and then on this one it does say temp on it, so I believe this one's able to read more temperature information compared to the previous controllers. You're probably going to be wanting to pull it from the front like that to get the blade off, but if the fan's not already installed on the system, I recommend just turning it over and pushing equally on both sides like this to pop them off. They also give you this grease here. They recommend if you've swapped the blades 2 or 3 times to put a blob of this on there to help keep it lubricated. And with the blade off, you can also see around here it's got the RGB strip there on the centre. Attaching the fan blade is straightforward. The magnet sort of pulls it into place for you a little bit and you just click it in. And again, swapping them around, really simple to do. I'm gonna quickly move over to installing them now, show you what they look like lit up. Also demonstrate swapping over the blades while they're actually attached to your case or your radiator. So I've fitted 6 of the fans in total, 3 on each side on both of the radiators. This is currently a build that I'm working on, so it's a bit messy on the bottom at the moment. But I'll quickly demonstrate what these fans look like when fitted and how to remove the blades off there as well. The first thing you're going to want to do when you're switching over the blades, if you've not already done it before installing them, is power off the computer ideally, but in my case I'm just going to disconnect the cable from the fan, cut the power to it, and then I can safely remove the blade. This is going to be a bit different from previously because I've only got the option to pull it forward, so I'm just putting equal pressure on both sides and keeping it as close to the centre of the fan as I can, so not to bend the blades or risk damaging them. And then putting them back on again is straightforward. Even in an enclosed space like this, it's not too much of an issue. Get it plugged back in and it's back to working as usual. So this is some of the colour options. I'm just going to go through a couple of them to give you a rough idea. They might not all come through on the camera quite as good as what they look in real life. It's a bit difficult to get the lighting right. LEDs are not the best thing to film, especially with my current camera setup. They do look really great in person. You can adjust the brightness of them and obviously the speed of the fans using the Thermaltake software. I'm not going to go into too much more detail on this. I'm going to keep the video a little bit shorter. But on my next video, where I'm going to be showing hopefully the desk fully completed, I'll go over the fans again in a little bit more detail and hopefully cover anything that I've missed, including a couple more of the lighting options, because there is quite a vast amount to pick from. So if you haven't already subscribed, if you subscribe to the channel now, you should hopefully get an update. If you click the bell icon, it should let you know when I've got the new video uploaded. So that's it for now. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.